Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Yasser Vlog. Today topic is aside rain. Due, due to urbanization and industrialization, more fuel burn, more acids are used in industries. As a result of these consumption, more CO2, SO2, NO2 are liberated in air from their chimneys when rain falls through these polluted air. H2O reach with these gases in air and product carbonic acid, sulfuric acid and nitric acid respectively. These acids remain as vapors and condense into liquid when temperature falls. The acid destroy soil microorganisms of soil, skin of animals, building material. Defor- Deforestation. Forests are now being cut rapidly all over the world for fuel, food, timber, agriculture needs. River Valley projects, industrial purposes for construction of dams needs building etc. It has been estimated that energy year 14 million 14 million acres of forests are cutting or destroying. This process is called deforestation. Deforestation result in recurrent floods, soil erosion, lowering of ground level, declination of annual rainfall, loss of fertility of the soil, reduction in wildlife, and greater incidence of disease because of loss of organisms which helped in controlling the vectors. Pollution. What is pollution? Literally, it means destruction of purity. Scientifically, pollution may be defined as any undesirable change in the physical, chemical, or biological characteristics of air, land, water, and soil, which may or will harmfully affect human life, plants, animals, our industrial process, living condition, and cultural assets. Our industrial process, living condition, and cultural assets. What are pollutants? All those substances that cause pollution called pollution. Common pollution are deposit matter such as root, smoke, tar, dust, and grit. Gases like SO2, CO, CO2, NO2, Cl2, O3, etc. Chemical compounds like aldehyde, enzymes, hydrogen, fluoride, chlorofluor, methane, gasogen, detergents, etc. Heavy metals like lead, mercury, iron, zinc, etc. Economic economic patient like herbivores. Thanks for watching.